It is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the inauguration of the Alrov Center for Digital Medicine, a joint center of Tel Aviv University and Tel Aviv Sourasky Medical Center Ichilov. The domain in which the Alrov Center will focus, which is digital medicine, is probably the domain in which we will have the most impact.
Alfred Akirov is immigrated from Iraq in 1941 when he was a child and built himself one of the leaders in business, but he is not only successful, he is one of the smartest people I know, extremely sharp-minded, and most importantly, a really great friend.
The combination of a medical center with a campus, with all the resources, with all the assets of a university, this is the right solution.
התפקיד שלנו הוא לתרום ואת העבודה הם עושים, ואנחנו לא מדברים הרבה כי צריכים לעבוד בשביל שיהיה כסף שנוכל לתרום. אז שיהיה לכם יום טוב ותודה רבה.